Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Hey everyone, Jeff from Mantiques Network. How you doing today? This is a really fine example of Sunbeam bread tin sign. You've got the framed off embossed framing, really in great condition. Again, this is part of the San Jose collection. Pardon my shuffling up to here. Really, really in good shape. You see all the detail in her hair. So if you are into Sunbeam bread or just want a great, great sign that is almost artwork, this is for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.